Drawing models showing subtraction of mixed numbers. So the first one is 6 and 5/8 minus 2 and 3/8. So first I'm going to draw the first number, which is 6 wholes. So this is going to represent one whole. So I need to make 6 of them. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Six holes, and then I'm going to make 5/8. To make eighths, what I would do is I would make a hole, cut it into 8 pieces, and then I only want 5 of them, so I'm going to erase 3 of them. And then I'm going to label each of these 1/8. All right, so I have 6 holes and 5/8. Okay. Now to subtract, I'm going to subtract 2 holes and 3/8. So to subtract, I simply cross off one of the holes, cross off another one, and then I cross off 3/8. So 1, 2, 3. And that's it. So I'm left with 4 holes and 2/8. Now in the next example, I'm actually going to have to rename the fraction part of the mixed number. So I want to do that first before I draw the models. So I'm going to go ahead and get a common denominator, and the least common denominator of 4 and 3 is going to be 12, so I'm going to turn these into twelfths. And so I would ask myself, what did I do to the 4 to get 12? I multiplied it by 3, so I have to multiply the numerator by 3. So 3 times 3 is 9, so 3/4 equals 9/12. And then what did I do to this 3 to get 12? I multiplied it by 4, so I multiply the numerator by 4, and 1 times 4 is 4. So now I'll be able to subtract because I have the same denominator. So now I'm going to go ahead and draw my model. I'm going to start with 9, and instead of drawing 3/4, I'm going to draw 9 and 9/12. So we're going to draw 9 holes. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then I'm going to draw 9/12. I can start off by making fourths, since it was 3/4 to begin with. And then I'm going to erase one of them. So here's 9 3/4, but I'm going to turn the fourths into twelfths. And there's 9 of them, so I know that these are going to turn into 9 pieces. So if I split each of these into 3, I'll know that I'll have twelfths. So each of these is going to be 1/12. All right, so now I have drawn 9 and 9/12. And now I have to take away 1 and 4/12. So I'm going to take away 1 by crossing it off and cross off 4/12. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I'm left with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 5/12. So 8 and 5/12.